We all know what time signature is. Those two numbers at the start of the music. And we know that the top number tells us how many beats or counts in each bar, usually 2, 3, or 4. In the previous video, we never talked about the bottom number. So what does the bottom number mean? So the bottom number tells us what type of note or the length of each beat. Before we carry on, let's take a look on how British and American name their note values. So we call this a semibrief in British English and whole note in American English. Next, we have minim in British English and half note in American English. Then followed by crotchet in British English and quarter note in American English. So a crotchet is also called a quarter note. The bottom number 4 is the key that tells us that we are dealing with crotchet beats. Like 2-4 means there are 2 crotchet beats in a bar. 3-4 means there are 3 crotchet beats in a bar. And 4-4 means there are 4 crotchet beats in a bar. How many beats? What type of beats? 4-4 can also be written like this. We call this common time. Let's put a time signature at the beginning of this tune. First, we need to figure out the top number, how many beats in each bar, and the bottom number, what type of beats they are. It looks like we can group everything in crotchet beats like that. I feel pretty confident the bottom number will be 4. As for the top number, what we need to ask ourselves is how many crotchet beats are in each bar. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 crotchet beats in each bar, so 3 goes on top. That's all for today. I hope you find this video helpful. If you have any question, please drop your comment below and I will see you in the next video.